One of the most well-liked ways to generate money online is by blogging. But just because it's popular doesn't imply it's simple, especially for newcomers. Knowing the most profitable blog niches is the first step to being a successful blogger. Thankfully, you have a wide range of blog subjects to choose from. You may start producing high-quality articles and making money off of your content after you choose a niche that aligns with your interests and supports your skill set. In this video, we will be exploring some of the hottest niches that are not only in demand, but can also generate significant revenue for your blog. So grab your notepad and let's get started. The most profitable blog niches in 2023. Digital marketing. Even for tiny enterprises, the value of digital marketing cannot be overstated in today's economic environment. The industry's market size in the US alone grew to $155.3 billion in 2021. Digital marketing involves a large number of strategies, including social media marketing, influencer marketing, email campaigns, and search engine optimization, or SEO. Many online businesses are turning to marketers' skills as the e-commerce industry expands to help them attract new customers, increase conversion rates, and convert those customers into income for their blogs. Digital marketing has a lot of promise regardless of your educational background in business or how adept you are on social media. Your blog may become a useful resource for a range of different topics by focusing on a micro-niche, such as an affiliate marketing or social media management. There are many relevant services and products to advertise if you choose to monetize your site through affiliate networks. This covers promotional tools like email platforms, email lists, and SEO plugins. Blogging and making money online. There is indeed a sizable blog niche dedicated to assisting individuals in breaking into the field of blogging due to its recent increase in popularity. Almost 31 million bloggers were active in the US in 2020. There's a hell of a lot of blogs out there that assist individuals in making money online. Blogging, freelance writing, working as a virtual assistant, and even launching your own internet business are all examples of this. This is one profitable niche you may explore if you've been blogging for a long time. Bloggers and influencers now have a significant impact on the world of digital marketing. In reality, influencer marketing had a global market value of $13.8 billion in 2021. As more individuals look towards blogging as a means of income, you may provide your professional guidance to help them be successful. They may learn from you how to get traffic from social media sites like Pinterest or produce content that converts. You may start by marketing affiliate items such as writing classes or SEO tools that can assist individuals in expanding their blogs when it comes to monetizing your content. Perhaps starting your blogging school or doing paid webinars could be something you want to think about. Health and fitness. As many individuals are compelled to exercise at home due to the epidemic, online fitness programs have become increasingly popular. But studies have shown that even after clubs have reopened, 9 out of 10 Americans who exercise regularly would continue to work out at home. Starting your fitness blog is one way for health professionals to benefit from the expanding trend and a new target market. You are not limited to merely creating blog entries because of the nature of this sector. You may produce a wide variety of material, including exercise videos, fitness classes, one-on-one training sessions, and lessons in appropriate form. There are several possibilities to profit in this market. You can work with brands to promote products such as fitness equipment and clothing. You might even offer an online health program or sell a subscription to your workout videos. Gadgets and technology. Technology and gadgets are undoubtedly an ever-growing field of interest, with innovations being introduced every day. In the fast-paced digital world, people are always seeking the latest trends and gadgets that can enhance their lives. This makes technology and gadgets a popular niche for blogging, with a vast audience base that is always on the lookout for informative and engaging content. As a blogger, there are several topics that you can explore in the technology and gadgets niche. You can write about the latest smartphones, laptops, tablets, and other gadgets, giving your readers an insight into their features, performance, and usability. You can also delve into other aspects of technology such as software, apps, and online tools, offering reviews and recommendations based on your personal experiences. This niche is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging every day. By staying informed and up to date, you can offer your readers unique insights into the latest tech trends and gadgets, as well as share your predictions of technology. Personal finance and investing. Individuals are constantly seeking new methods to manage their money. In fact, according to Google data, searches for information on financial management and planning on mobile devices have increased by more than 70% over the previous 2 years. The same data reveals that there has been a sharp rise in app searches for investment and stock-related services. So, the blogging area of personal finance might be rather rewarding. As a financial advisor, you may assist clients in making prudent financial decisions, including retirement savings and investment selection. There are several blogs devoted to assisting individuals with planning and achieving FIRE, which has also been quite popular and will remain so in 2023 and beyond. Yet, if you're encouraging people to budget their money and spend wisely, you might be wondering how you might convince them to buy things via your blog. Selling something that will enable them to generate more revenue in the long term is the key. To put it another way, you must sell your product as an investment. For instance, you might use your WordPress site to develop an online course to teach people how to trade stocks. You may even conduct webinars or provide one-on-one financial counseling. Recipes and food. Food is one of the most profitable blog themes and an evergreen subject. Also, it offers a variety of sub-niches to investigate, from quick and simple dishes to details on certain diets. Home cooking is one food topic that has grown in popularity recently. Demand for online cookery lessons increased by more than 1,177% during the epidemic. The food market is already fairly crowded. Many blogs that offer diet guidance, meal plans, product reviews, and recipes may be found online. This does not, however, imply that it is impossible to enter the market for food bloggers. Just use your imagination a little bit, especially if this is your first blog, by providing fresh recipes or adding your spin to well-known foods. You could wish to combine your food blog with an image-focused network like Pinterest or Instagram, given the topic's visual character. You have several monetization methods that you might consider. For instance, you may collaborate with food companies to develop recipes that use their goods. You might sell printable versions of your cookbooks or provide culinary lessons that are streamed live if you want to use your blog to generate passive money. Personal development and self-care. In recent years, the practice of self-care has gained popularity. People are more aware of their mental health now than ever before, which has increased interest in self-improvement and well-being. Nonetheless, 80% of Americans say they'll keep caring for themselves even after the pandemic. Furthermore, a recent Google survey reveals that people are consistently looking for topics linked to wellness, indicating that interest in personal growth is no longer a New Year fad. If you have training in psychology, health, coaching, or counseling, you might want to think about entering the self-care sector. You can write on a range of subjects, including journaling, mindfulness practices, stress management, and daily rituals. Consumers are increasingly buying goods that can reduce their stress and help them live better lives, according to Mintel's research. Personal care products, household goods like scented candles, and wellness tools like journaling apps are all included in this. As a blogger who focuses on self-care, you may earn money from your posts by promoting products that will benefit your audience. Moreover, you may use your site to sell digital goods like journals, providing life coaching sessions, and host podcasts about mental health or self-improvement. Pick the perfect blog niche today. And there you have it, folks, the top profitable blog niches that are trending in 2023. Whether you're passionate about health and wellness, tech gadgets, or eco-friendly living, there's a niche out there for everyone. Remember, the key to success in blogging is not just following the trends, but also being authentic and providing value to your readers. So pick a niche that resonates with you, stay consistent with your content, and watch your blog thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.